Hey guys, up here today is a standard small motorized vehicles admission. I have the key right here. This came off a motorized scooter. Um, Found it and gutted this and the motor off. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to be using my double-sided tension wrench and my camel. And pretty much I'm just going to work this baby in here. Let me try and get this so you guys can see. Alright, there we go. This. And I'm going to go back. And that's pretty much it. Small motorized vehicles admission. Just a cool little lock. Nothing special. Alright.